So most of the time I've been here at the music festival, it's been sunny days, but not today. This is the first day of the music, and it's raining. It's raining pretty bad. You can see the shot out here up at the main stage there. It's pretty wet up there. I decided I'm going to stay right here down by my camper. I actually can listen to the music on the radio. They broadcast the main stage stuff on an FM station, so stay right here and stay dry. Well, I showed you just a minute ago the rain, and that was a little while ago, but the rain actually brings with it mud, and I just wanted to show some video clips of the mud here. This is one of the main roads here, Monroe Ave and the festival, and you can see it's a little muddy, and cars, I don't know how they're letting cars go down here, but you can see some people here walking, trying to avoid the mud, but kids are brave going across. But yeah, the word today is, I heard, was a little mud's not going to hurt you. But that's the mud scene. Well, just one more mud scene here, and by the Catskill stage, the dance tent. As you can see, it's pretty bad here. I'll be wearing boots going across this stuff right there. Can't imagine what this was like last night. People out here trying to get through this stuff in the nighttime, but. That's enough mud for today. We're going to go show you some music now.